Meet the next lock screen for Android. It puts everything you need right where you need it. Now you can see the when and where of your next meeting at a glance. Join your conference call with just a swipe and access your favorite apps at work, at home, or on the go, all without having to unlock your phone. Because everything important to you is right there, right where you need it. The next lock screen, simply getting you to what's next.
So have you ever found it annoying to have to unlock your phone and pull down your notification shade in order to get to all of your notifications? Well, that problem can easily be solved with AC Display. With this app, you can get quick access to all of your notifications in the blink of an eye. So when you get a new notification, the screen will light up and display that notification along with the time, date, and your phone's battery percentage, all tied into an incredibly clean and minimalistic screen. One of the highlighted features of AC Display is the ability to set it as your lock screen, making this my go-to lock screen replacement on Android. The other highlighted feature is active mode, and what that does is it uses your phone's proximity sensors to wake your device when you, say, pull it out of your pocket. You can also wave your hand over the sensor to activate the lock screen, giving you a quick glance at all of your notifications without having to touch the phone at all. AC Display is interactive, so tapping on the icons will reveal what the notification says, swiping the icon down will dismiss it, and swiping up will unlock the phone and open the application that initiated that notification. There are other features such as the ability to use your home screen's wallpaper as a wallpaper for the lock screen. You can also change the icon size, change the unlock circle color, double tap to sleep, and more. You can also set dialer and camera shortcuts to be activated by swiping on a specific spot on the lock screen. And if you're concerned about the app draining your battery, there's no need to worry. The app has very low CPU requirements, so battery drainage is not an issue here. So if you're in dire need of an easier way to access all of your notifications, AC Display is the app for you. It's the perfect tool for you Android users out there. I've been using it for quite a while myself, and I love it. It's free on the Google Play Store, so I encourage you guys to go and download it, like now. Thanks for watching, guys.